Hello, everyone. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO, Adrenaline Global Online Tutorial Platform, a platform that has helped a lot of students all around the world, right, to make incredible grades and results, right, for those of them preparing for GCSE examination, IGCSE examination, or Cambridge level IB exam, WAEC, NECO, JAM exams, and post UTME exam, right? We are always ahead, right? Now, we have incredible testimonies of our students who have done incredibly well in the examination, right? Some of which are displayed on your screen, as you can see, right? Our interest and our target is to turn students who initially have bad grades to have good grades in their examination, right? Now, without wasting much time, in this particular video, it is some of the questions that students who wrote post UTME UNIBEN were asked. And without wasting time, we'll just run through the questions and provide answer. This is just the part one, right? So let's quickly go. Now, first question says, which compound exhibits optical isomerism? Right? Now we understand that optical isomerism has to do with compounds that are able to rotate the plane of polarized light. And for you to be able to do so or achieve that target, you must possess what we call a chiral center, or you must have what we call a chiral carbon. And a chiral carbon is a carbon that have 4 different groups attached to it. The main emphasis is 4 different groups, right? So when you just see optical, just let your mind sway down to what we call the ability to rotate a plane of polarized light or possess a chiral carbon. Now the options, ethane cannot be, because if you look at the structure of ethane, this is how ethane structure is, right? And each of these bonds are filled with hydrogen. So if I pick this carbon here now, if you look at these groups here that are attached to this carbon, they are the same, right? Now the same goes to benzene, same goes to propane. The correct answer here is lactic acid, because the structure of lactic acid is CH3, you have H here, you have OH here, you have this. So this is the structure of what now? Lactic acid. Whose IUPAC name is called what now? 2-hydroxy or alpha hydroxy what now? Propanoic acid, right? Now if you look at this carbon here, this group, they are different, and as such it is able to rotate the plane of polarized light. So the answer is what now? C. Now quickly, without wasting time, we move to number 2. Now, which of the following is a metalloid? Now we should understand that elements are divided based on their chemical properties into 3. We have what we call the melters, the non-melters, and the what now? The semi-melter, which is also called what now? A metalloid. Which is also called what now? A metalloid. Now what are melters? Melters are elements, when they ionize, they lose electrons. When they lose electrons, they become positively charged, and they are found in the left side of the periodic table. Non-melters, when they ionize, they gain electrons. When they gain electrons, they become negatively charged. And when they become negatively charged, what happens to them? They become non-metallic, and they are in the far right of the periodic table. But in the case of semi-melters or metalloids, they share a property of both a melter and a non-melter. Example of metalloids or semi-metals: we have the boron, we have the germanium, we have the antimony, right? Or we have silicon. All these are some of the examples. So we go straight to the options here. Sodium, calcium, and potassium, they are melters. The correct answer here is what now? Silicon. We move quickly. Number 3. The pH of human blood is maintained mainly by what? Is it hormones, enzymes, buffer, of vitamins. Simple. Now we should understand that the pH of the human blood is mainly maintained by buffer solution. Now you may ask, what are buffer solutions? They are solutions that are able to resist a slight changes in the pH, meaning when the pH is about to get high or low, the buffer will help to stabilize or maintain the pH level quickly. So the correct answer here is the buffer solution. Number 4, compounds commonly used as flavoring agents belong to a class known as what? Now when you have the word flavoring, you enter a chemistry lab and you perceive this fruity smell, this flavory smell. Just take note of what we call esters. Esters are also called alkanoids. Why are they called alkanoids? Because of the class they belong to, right? They have this nice fruity smell, and they belong to the general formula of what now? ROCOO, RO now prime. This is how it looks like. Last one, the alkaline nature of aqueous sodium carbonate solution is due to what? Now we should understand, under salt decomposition, under salt hydrolysis, when a salt is hydrolyzed, it will give you the component that forms it. Now when you subject sodium carbonate to water breakdown, you give me sodium hydroxide plus H2CO3, formed from a strong base and a weak acid, tell you that it is an alkaline. Now because water is added to break down this component, is called what now? Hydrolysis of the salt. And this makes the answer to be what now? B, right? So that is very, very simple. Now we are currently running online classes. Do well to join us, and our fee is affordable, right? We prepare students for all exams. You have a child in grade 2, in grade 3, in grade 4, and you want the best for that child, contact us right now. We have our staffs are available to take your orders, and you can also reach us on this our number, right, displayed on your screen, right? As you can see, this is our contact number. 7 plus 234, right? So do well to contact us now. Thank you and God bless you.